All right, hey guys, I think I found something. I found something. What is this? Holy crap. Oh my gosh, my phone is, it's so bad right now. Okay, I better drop a pin here while I'm going back. All right. Guys, you gotta mark your locations. If you don't, you could be really screwed. Right, dead random here. Doing a quick search. Gonna go right to the search location and do a little walk around. Today I've got my e-bike, so just to make things a little quicker. All right, got to make use of the last hour of light there is. So all right, here we go. Dead random. Looking for the lost drone, and pretty accurate search today. This is very accurate from a lot of data, a lot of really good information. All right. All right. So it takes a little bit of work to get to this part of the trail, but we're only just a little bit of a ride up this way. So I actually do have in my phone a location that is actually GPS. So I have a GPS coordinate to the area based on an actual pinpoint. So, all right, so dead random should be a little bit more efficient searching today. Because we are searching using the latest technology. The latest technology. Oh boy. Or so they say. All right. Like I said, we only have so much daylight. And that is the point of reference right there. That right there, I'm looking at it right now. So we are basically in the search zone right here. All right, this is the search zone. And right there is our reference point, right straight ahead of us, right there. All right, so this is the spot. This is where everything happens, right about here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk a search grid. I'm going to go close to the point right there. That point right there. And I think I'm going to come back tomorrow here and do a similar search. I'm going to need to check my phone. There's the outcrop right there. And this is kind of this is the area. This is it right here. So let me just double check I'm going to double check my my phone. So I flew past this point here. Boy, this is a big area. Holy crap. Oh, I did put a dot. So I'm going to go ahead and check my phone really quick. So I'll be right back. All right, Dad Random here. I've been putting together a search graphic. So I am eliminating places I have been already. I have, as of now, plugged in. I have plugged in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different search zones, and I'm going to walk through one more just to kind of put an X in the middle of a spot. So I'll be right back. All right, Dad Random is back. I have logged about 10 different locations in this area. So what I'm trying to do is pinpoint the exact distance that we lose connection. So I know what that number is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare that to the spots I just logged on Google Maps. So I know we're really close. This is definitely the right spot, but this will verify it. Right now, my biggest concern is not really recovering the drone. It's really, I do want to recover it for the purpose of determining its crash and why it failed. So I want to know if it was a physical failure, like a prop loss, because we really think that props were to blame. It couldn't have been my flying. I am just such a great pilot, and as far as the search is concerned, that's the game we're in. It's the love of the game. So yeah, beautiful day. We are battling. We're battling the twilight here because right now the sun is going down, as you can see, and I'm going to turn into the location of the point of reference we're using, which is right over here. So we have clearly defined it. I've walked up to it. We're going to have to put a pinpoint on that in just a second. That'll be my last location for the day, and then we're going to have to do some research. We're going to have to go back to the lab and do a little research to determine, if we were close. I know we're in the right location. This is literally, X marks the spot. I mean, if you look straight down, it basically is an X right here. So, all right. So I'm going to go and put one more location. This one right over here. So this little rocky outcropping that I keep referring to. All right, I'll be right back, and then I'll mark that spot. All right, to the spot. And the rocks here, when you look at it from the GPS, it's black, it's volcanic. So this is a little volcanic ridge here. So I'm going to go and stand right on it. And this will help us determine if we are on the right rocky outcropping. So go ahead and put my camera down, and so right here is the rocky outcropping that I keep referring to in the videos. And I'm going to go and check Google Maps. We'll drop a pin here. So just a pin on this location. Dang, and we actually will be able to put another pin. Let's see, let's go ahead and save that one. And we'll be able to put another pin on our way back. So we'll actually be able to hit walking probably about right there. That'll bring us straight across. So, but we are conducting a scientific experiment. We are doing some search. And then, of course, once we find our lost bird, here's our viewpoint right here. That's back towards my bike right there. So if I go this way here and then turn straight around, you're looking back at my bike. So we're going to make a beeline that way, and this will be our last search line. But we're working in lines, lines of search. So all right, so this direction right here, and we're walking on virgin soil here. This has never been searched right here. This soil here, we haven't gone near it. But this right here, I believe, is the starting point of where the search should start. Okay, right about here, going straight east. So there's some more. So that's looking back at the rocky outcropping right there as the sun sets. All right. All right, Dad Random. I think my work is done today. I think I've got to take the data, bring the data back to, to the lab and then go through it. And then we're going to create some lines of reference to some of those points and then determine if any of them are close to where, what of those points is going to be closest to the actual point of the loss of contact. So that's what we're going to do. All right. So it's a slow process, guys. You just don't find lost stuff in the middle of nowhere easily. It takes time. You have to let it simmer in your mind. So, all right. Wow. What a beautiful evening. What a beautiful evening to do a search. All right. Too bad we couldn't have found it today. So I'm all right. I'm going to put another pin down right here and then we're going to head back. All right. Dead random. All right. As the sun goes down today, we once again made an attempt to locate the lost aircraft, but we do have other points of data now. We can work from somewhere where we have points of reference. So we've got lots of them. We've got the point of reference on the video. We've got points of reference on the ground, and we actually found a bunch of junk. So we actually are cleaning up the trail as we go. So that's good too. So overexposed. All right, there we go. All right, yeah. So we did find something today. Right there. Looks like some underwear. Looks like we found some underwear. All right. So, I don't know what to say about this. This isn't my drone, but they probably cost the same amount. That's nasty. All right. There it is. So we found some underwear and a clay pigeon. All right. Underwear, a clay pigeon, and a trail sign. So here we go. We're going to pick up this trail sign here. Right here, it's a broken trail sign. So we'll put those up on the trail there because I have no way of bringing them back. Put them all together. All right, Dead Random. All right, Dead Random. All right. So we didn't find it today, but we will find it. We have narrowed down the area. We have made it much smaller. The search area has really gotten squeezed down to just an area of reference that's very small. All right, Dead Random. We will find it. We do not give up on this search, and we'll be back. All right. Let's see what we find. All right. We're heading out of the desert. Back onto the trail. And we made progress today, We made some progress. We have made some progress. All right. Now we get the nice, beautiful ride home.